I'm Aki101001, and this is episode 1 of my Minecraft Gadgets series. This will show you some gadgets that you might want to make in Minecraft and how to make them. So let's start with this vending machine. There's cake, bread, and cookies in this one because this one is pretty small even though it is a huge vending machine. So this is how it works. You put a mine there. I press this button. I'll just put that back. I press this button. Nothing. I just activated it earlier. Forgot to deactivate it. So, you put a minecart here. You turn the switch, and it goes. Now, let's say I want bread. And it gives me the bread. I'll just put it back now. This is something you can use in I'll replace this with a button. Because a button you don't have to worry about turning off. But this is something you might want to do in a multiplayer server. So, because if you do it in a multiplayer server, you will be able to get free minecarts from it. So this is how it works. If you're not very experienced with redstone, this might be a bit scary, but it's a lot less complicated than my bowling alley, which will be in my next video. So, first I will show different things. That's a failed experiment, and there are a few things that you'll need to know before you can make this. Let's see, dirt. Forgot the most important thing, redstone. And for the second thing that I need to show you, a lever, and for demonstration, wooden door. So, let's start with this. I forgot exactly what this is called, but it wasn't my idea. But it's a very good idea. So, this is something that makes a temporary variable continue to switch the circuit even when it's turned off. For example, the button. If you have a button and you attach it by a redstone wire to a door, then when you press the button, the door will open, then it will close about a second later. But this makes it, because of the inverters that you have, if you press the button, then it will stay open until you press the other button. So the second thing is an AND switch. Another thing that wasn't my idea, but it is a good one. And most of the things that I make need these. Okay, so how this works is that these both work on this current, on this redstone here, send the on signal to this one, and when that signal goes to this one, which makes it off. So as long as any of these are on, so will this be, and that will mean that this is off, which will mean that this is off, which means that the door is closed. Turn that one, nothing happens. Turn that one on, nothing happens. Turn both of them off, and that happens. Turn that one on. Yeah. So those both need to be turned on. So the same thing can work with the buttons and switches that with redstone. The cart goes here to press this button and into that lava. If you do this in a multiplayer server, you probably will not want lava there. You'll probably have a mine there that you're working on that you will be hiding in, so you can just take the carts that go down. So they go to this. Oops. Yeah, I didn't mean to click on that. Yeah. The signal goes down to here and turns this on. This thing goes through here. This makes sure that this signal is renewed and turns the left one of all of these off. You can make it the right one, or some of them on the left and some of them on the right. I'd suggest them all being on the same side so it's more organized and easier to remember. And then the button, which is on the other side of here, goes up here. The signal goes through here, down here, and into this one. So the buttons go to each one of them, so if you press the button, it will turn that on. And what the button also does is that it goes through here, up here, here, down here, around here, and into here, where it switches the signal back, meaning that you'll have to sacrifice another minecart to turn this on. So let's say I want cake now. And if you put a wall behind here, there will probably be a way to prevent it from shooting it. Just put a wall there and it will catch it. So next is the bowling alley. Here's a quick preview. But that's for a later date.